Lamb Vindaloo is a spicy Indian curry dish that is perfect for cold days. It is made with tender chunks of lamb in a tangy and spicy thick sauce. The dish is believed to have originated in Goa, India, and is derived from the Portuguese dish Carne de Vinha D'alhos. Here is a recipe to make Lamb Vindaloo at home. Ingredients needed to make homemade Lamb Vindaloo: 1 kilogram lamb, cut into cubes. 2 onions, finely chopped. 1/2 cup vinegar. 1/2 cup vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. Salt to taste. How to prepare homemade Lamb Vindaloo. 1. In a blender, blend together ginger paste, garlic paste, vinegar, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and garam masala to make a smooth paste. 2. In a large pot, heat vegetable oil over medium heat. Add onions and saute until golden brown. 3. Add the lamb cubes and cook until brown on all sides. 4. Add the spice paste and salt to the pot and stir well. 5. Add enough water to cover the lamb and bring to a boil. 6. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 1 to 2 hours, or until the lamb is tender. 7. Serve hot with steamed rice or naan bread. Enjoy your homemade Lamb Vindaloo.